Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Apsley, Ontario, is a small peaceful village located in the heart of the Kawarthas in central Ontario. It is surrounded by beautiful lakes, forests, and outdoor spaces, making it a perfect destination for nature lovers. The village is known for its tranquil atmosphere and its close connection to the great outdoors, offering plenty of opportunities for fishing, boating, hiking, and camping. Apsley is part of the municipality of North Kawartha, a region that is rich in natural beauty. The area is home to several popular lakes, including Lower and Upper Buckhorn Lake, which are known for their crystal-clear waters. The surrounding forests and trails provide excellent spots for hiking and wildlife viewing, especially during the fall when the colors of the trees are breathtaking. For visitors interested in outdoor activities, Apsley is a great place to enjoy a quiet day by the water or to explore the many trails that wind through the forests. It's also a great place for those who enjoy fishing, as the lakes are known for their excellent fishing opportunities. Whether for a short visit or a longer stay, Apsley is a wonderful place to experience the peaceful charm of Ontario's rural life, surrounded by lakes and forests that offer endless possibilities for exploration and relaxation.
watching.